Hi everybody, today is Monday again. I want to say good job to Adriana for being the star student last week. She had the most homework. She did the most homework out of everybody, so great job Adriana last week. Today is Monday, so today you'll do 30 minutes Imagine Learning. Después, you need to choose your own homework. Solo necesita elegir una tarea del sitio web de esto, aquí. Es muy importante que ver las instrucciones antes de hacer tu tarea. Hay algunos estudiantes que está haciendo la tarea, pero no está haciendo correcto porque no ve las instrucciones. Entonces, necesita ver las instrucciones antes de click here, all right? So make sure you listen to the instructions before you click here. If you have questions, please write it in the Google Classroom. I'm going to go to the classroom really quick and I'll show you how to write a question. Let's see. Si tiene una pregunta, puede escribir aquí. All right? All right, write it here and then click post so I can see it. All right, so we'll go back here. 30 minutes Imagine Learning and then choose your homework. It looks like last week we had Yasmith on Imagine Learning for 196 minutes. Great job, Yasmith. She did 9 lessons, 9 tareas. Good job. Adriana, 20 minutos. Cindy Santos, 25 minutos. Jerian, good job. 166 minutes and 1 lesson. Maria, 11 minutes. Joshua, 66 minutes, very good. And Valeria, 49 minutes. Great job, everybody. Keep doing your Imagine Learning. It needs to be at 100%, 100%. Some students have más que 100%. Por ejemplo, Yasmin tiene 300, más de 300%. Cindy Santos, 40%. Adriana 30, Jerian más de 200, Joshua más de 100%, good. Valeria almost 82%, so I want to see everybody at 100%, 100%. Okay, everybody, hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them down.